Welcome to the illegal garage, guys. It's been a while since I uploaded some videos because the car is almost done. It's pretty much ready for paint. I just need to fit the latches. So, and also been working. Good morning, guys. So now that we got the new Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, as you can see, this is gonna be the new tow vehicle for the Cobra when we go to the London Cobra show, etc, etc. So we're gonna go to get the first mod for the truck, if you want to call it that.
5 miles to Remington Boulevard.
We're gonna go to WeatherTech and get their laser measure, whatever they're called, floor mats for the front and the back, so we can keep these brand new Tacoma floor mats and my carpet in pretty good shape. So I happen to live really close to the factory, so we're just gonna go to the factory store. It's literally like 3-4 minutes away from my house. So we're almost there, and I'll bring you back when we get there.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Well, we're here. We'll see what they have for us on the WeatherTech factory store. No need for keys anymore. Accessory.
pastry?
Sure.
These are peanut butter, these are cheese.
The cheese ones, please.
Cheese one, yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. Here they are. As you can see, there's a lot of off-road vehicles around here. Free coffee, free pastries while you wait for your stuff out of the factory. So we're gonna go home and install them. Okay, so we're gonna try installing the front driver's side floor mat, which is this one, I think. The factory locks. It looks pretty good. Now we're gonna do the passenger side. Again, this is the first mod, interior mod for the new Toyota. Oh, it's fine. I thought my cell phone mount was gonna be an issue, but it's fine. It's just under it. Well, technically this was the first mod. I removed this one from a Ranger. It's been with me for like 10 years. So that's the first thing I put on this truck. Now we're gonna put the back one. It's hard to do it with one hand. backwards. There it is. Now the Tacoma interior is protected. That's it for this video. Once again, this is gonna be the tow vehicle for the Cobra, which is pretty much ready for paint. So we're gonna do a little mods on this truck for the illegal garage. Thank you guys, and please like, comment, watch, subscribe, all the good stuff if you want to keep seeing content on the Toyota Tacoma. Thank you and have a nice day.